Welcome students. Today we will learn simple queries or DDL command. This topic is very lengthy, so I divided in many topics. This is simple query first. I hope you have downloaded and installed MySQL in your system. If not, first download and install, then start learning with practice. It will be more helpful. So students, take out copy and pen and note down all these 10 questions showing on your screen. We will do all these questions in this video. So let's start it. Start MySQL. MySQL demanding for password. Now I am typing my password. You type your password, whatever you set at time of MySQL installation, and press enter. Now we are connected to MySQL server. Question number 1. Arithmetical operation in MySQL. This time I am showing add operation. Select 20 plus 3. Enter. Result is showing 23. Now I am going to display all arithmetical operation. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus and floor division. Command is select 20 plus 3, suppose 20 minus 3, 20 into 3, 20 divided by 3, 20 modulus 3, 20 mod 3, 20 div 3. Enter. Now here showing 23, 17, 60, 6.667. Now this is percentage sign. Here this percentage sign means mod. Mod means remainder. Means after dividing 20 by 3, only remainder will be shown. This MOD is same as this percentage sign mode. Now div. Div means floor division. Floor division means after dividing 20 by 3, only the integral part will be displayed and all the fractional part will be discarded. Question number 2. Display all databases. Command is show databases. Here showing many databases. These are the database in our MySQL server. Question number 3. How to log, use or load a database. Command is use database name. In our case, database name is world. So here showing one message, database change means you are successfully logged in world database. Question number 4. Describe table. But student, you don't know what are the table belong to this current database. So the command to know all tables in a database is show tables. These are the table of world database. Now in order to describe only country table, command is desc table name, that is country. So here these are the fields means column or attribute of table world, and these are the corresponding data type, and these are the column I will explain later in upcoming videos. Question number 5. List out all the detail of all record in a table. Command is select asterisk from country. Here asterisk is wildcard means all columns. Here too much data having in country table and my screen has not enough space to show all data at a time. But in real world very rarely use all table of all columns. This is simply we can understand by an example. Suppose you want to issue all book of all classes from library. Question number 6. List out name, surface area, population and continent of all countries. Command is select name, surface area, population, continent from country. Now these all are the results. Question number 7. Display country code, surface area, life expectancy and independent year of India. Command is select code, surface area, life expectancy, in-depth year from country where name equal to India. Here, where is a clause of select command used for filtering record? It means filter clause. Question number 8. Display name, surface area and region of all Asian and European countries. Command is select name, surface area, region from country where continent equal to Asia or continent equal to Europe. In place of or, you can also use pipe symbol. Pipe symbol means or symbol. Here I written or, but in question written and. Technically or is correct because a country cannot be in two different continents. When you use and in SQL, MySQL server check for both continent, Asia and Europe at the same time for a record, and finally result will be empty set. One more query to write. Command for question 8 is select name, surface area, region from country where continent is in Asia, Europe. Now here in is a operator for existence. Now showing the result. Question number 9. Display name, surface area and independent year of all countries except Asia and Europe. So command is select name, surface area, region from country where continent not equal to Asia and continent not equal to Europe. Here exclamation with equal is not operator. In place of and, you can also use ampersand symbol. This ampersand is logical operator. In place of and operator, you don't use or. In case of or, MySQL server check for not Asian or not European. Countries in every case at least one should be correct, and finally all result will be displayed. One more query to write. Command for question number 9 is select name, surface area, region from country where continent not in Asia, Europe. So these are the result. Now question number 10. List out name, region and population of all country independent year between 1900 and 1950. Command is select name, region, population from country where independent year between 1900 and 1950. Note down. Two very important points for between operators are: first, it includes highest and lowest values, means year 1900 and 1950 both are included. And second, never use ampersand symbol in place of and, it gives error. Now these are the result. One more query to write. The command for question number 10 is select name, region, population from country where in-depth year greater than equal to 1900 and in-depth year less than equal to 1950. So these are the results. So here I completed all these 10 questions. In case of doubt, let me in comment section. Thank you and bye bye.